Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to XMO in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and XMO. You'll need some Solana in your Coinbase wallet to transfer. In 2025, exchanges like Coinbase have streamlined their interfaces, so log into your Coinbase account and head to the dashboard. Locate your Solana holdings, it should be under your assets list. Next, initiate the withdrawal. Click on Withdraw next to your Solana balance. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to XMO. Log in and go to your wallet section. Find your Solana wallet address, it's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Copy that XMO address and paste it back into Coinbase's withdrawal form. Specify the amount of Solana you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees. In 2025, Solana transactions are super fast, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize. Once the transaction is broadcasted, keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. It should arrive in your XMO wallet within minutes. Pro tip: always use the Solana network for these transfers to keep costs low and speeds high. Finally, once it's confirmed, check your XMO balance to ensure everything's good. If you run into any issues, both platforms have 24/7 support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.